Hello, today we will guide you through how to create lip sync video in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the editing workspace without interruptions. If this is your first time using CapCut, take a moment to get familiar with the home screen, since that will make the next steps easier to follow. Once you are on the main screen, click on Create a Project. This will open a new editing space where you can begin building your lip sync video. Creating a new project is the first important setup step because it gives you a clean timeline and lets you import the media you want to work with. Next, drag a sample video into the project. This should be the clip you want to use for the lip sync effect. When choosing your video, it helps if the subject's face is visible and clear, since lip sync tools usually work best when facial details can be recognized properly. After that, drag the sample video onto the timeline. The timeline is where you control the structure of your edit, and placing the clip there makes it active for editing. Be sure the video is positioned correctly before moving on, since the lip sync feature will be applied to the clip you've selected. Now look to the top right panel of the interface. Scroll down through the available options until you find the lip sync feature. Depending on your screen size or app version, you may need to move slowly through the panel so you don't miss it. This section contains the controls needed to generate the speaking effect from text. Once you find it, click on Lip Sync. This opens the lip sync settings for your selected clip. At this point, CapCut is preparing to connect your video with the text you want the character or person to appear to say. Then enter your sample text. This is the text that will be used to create the lip sync speech in the video. Try to type clearly and review it before continuing, because the generated result will follow exactly what is entered here. When you're done, click on Generate. CapCut will begin processing the video and applying the lip sync effect based on your text. This may take a little time, depending on the clip length and your device performance. So give it a moment to finish. And that's it. Once the generation is complete, you can preview the result and continue refining your project inside CapCut.